Hi beautiful people, thank you for joining me. I'm Yogicas. Today we're doing a child pose, and this is a gentle resting pose. It is commonly used to relieve tension, quiet the mind, reconnect with our breath. So let's begin. First, let's come down to our knees. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Gently separate your knees as wide as feels comfortable. Take a slow inhale, and as you exhale, fold forward from the hips. Stretch your arms in front of you or let them rest beside your body, however is more comfortable for you. Let your forehead melt down to the ground and relax your shoulders, soften your jaw, and breathe deeply here. And just stay here. Feel your body relaxing with each breath. Child pose is simple, but it is incredibly powerful. It is releasing stress and anxiety. We are calming the nervous system, and we are gently stretching the hips, thighs, and ankles. We are also easing tension in the back, neck, and shoulders. And with this movement, we are also supporting our digestive system. And if we want to support our digestive system even more, then you can also try this pose with closing your knees together. That way we are really stimulating our digestion and the organs. Have very deep breaths here, as this is improving our focus and our emotional balance as well. With my forehead on the ground, and in between the eyes there is an Ajna chakra, our third eye, and the point is connected to the ground, and I am imagining that all the energy, all the emotions and everything that I have been carrying, the heaviness, emotions, sadness, whatever it may be, I am imagining everything going out from my body through the Ajna chakra and giving it to Mother Earth. And Mother Earth is taking that energy and she is transmuting this energy. She's healing this. She's making this energy vibrant, alive, and she's giving this healed energy back to you through the third eye. And just visualize it coming slowly to the head, to the neck, to the chest and the upper back, moving down the spine, to the hips, to the legs and feet, filling your whole body, and just bathe in that beautiful light energy that Mother Earth has given to you. And if this stretch is too much for your lower back, then you can place your hand under your forehead, so that way back isn't that much stretched. And if you're ready, slowly work your hands back towards your knees and rise up gently. Child pose is a reminder that rest is part of strength. Use this pose anytime you need a moment for calmness. And now we're just gently doing a cat-cow here, stretching our back once more, going through the upward dog, giving our body a beautiful stretch. And thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this. All the best. Bye.